कथा सुनाने, देश प्रेम सबके मन में जगाने लेकर आए हैं कृष और बाल्टी बॉय। भारत है
Gajak! Trish is not paying attention and the Mouse Battalion wants to get their hands on it. Before them, I must get my hands on it.
To steal anything is very bad.
Sorry.
Me too. Sorry.
And to admit one's mistake is a virtuous act. For you. Krish Balti Boy, do you know that Gajak and Revdi are world famous sweets from Meerut city near Delhi?
But Meerut is also known as the place of a remarkable revolution in the history of our country, Trish.
Revolution!
That means story.
You all have now come to know that the British first came to our country in the name of the East India Company with the intention of trading.
And then the intentions turned bad and they began to conquer.
And not only that, but those foreigners also started to forcibly collect taxes from us Indians. And those who couldn't pay, their lands were confiscated.
I'm happy that both of you are listening to the stories attentively.
Balti Boy, don't get emotional because today's story is about a historical figure who, in order to liberate the country from foreigners, made the first attempt to start a revolution in 1857.
Really? Who was he? Who initiated this revolt?
Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar. Dear Sanskriti, story mode on.
Dhan Singh Gujjar was the chief police officer of Meerut, that is Kotwal. Being from the Gujjar community, Dhan Singh Gujjar was born in Panchali village.
Kotwal Dhan Singh Gurjar was at the police station at Sadar Bazar when the East India Company brought new guns and bullets to all their police stations so that they could strengthen their hold on our country. However, there was a conspiracy behind the arrival of the new bullets.
It has a very strong smell of cow fat.
Yes, and some soldiers were saying that it is also has a pig fat in it.
When Constables Tilak Lal and Rahman both were talking about this, a British officer overheard them. Then next day on the police grounds,
You two, come forward and hit that target. Officer, we will not touch these bullets.
This will make us violate our religion.
the refusal to touch the bullets by these two constables enraged the officer, and he gestured that both of them be beaten by hunters in front of everyone else. The son of Tilaklal Bhuvan was also among the line of police constables standing there. The Britishers were beating his father and he could only stand there with tears in his eyes. Kotwal Dhan Singh Gurjar too was also amongst them. His heart was shaken, but he was helpless and couldn't do anything.
Is there anyone else who wants to refuse our orders? Then come forward.
Hearing this, many other constables too stepped forward.
Kotwal dancing! Strip off their uniforms right now and tie them in chains and lock them in the dungeon cells. They will be sentenced to life imprisonment. Only then will they come to their senses.
All of them were arrested and thrown in a lockup where they were beaten and tortured. Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar witnessed all of it.
Have some mercy! For God's sake!
All of it made Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar's blood boil, but circumstances forced him to be silent. When Tilaklal's son returned home, his mother asked him,
Where's your father?
Father has been imprisoned by the foreigners, Mother.
But why?
Well, Mother,
Bhuvan narrated to his mother the entire series of events of that day.
Pig and cow fat?
Why didn't you go with your father? Bhuvan, you have insulted the dignity of our Gujars community. We are ready to chop off our heads, but will not tolerate any injustice. No more cooking till we get an answer for this. Let's go and talk to the officer.
At Meerut Sadar Bazaar police station, already a large crowd had appeared.
Kotwal Saab, you only love your salary, but can't you see that these foreigners are abusing our religion so callously for the sake of their own benefit? Please understand the conspiracy, Sahib.
While there was harried commotion within the police station, so were some noises coming in from outside the station.
We need an answer. We need to talk to her. We need
And went out to check it.
I have only one son. Officer, please release him. Officer, what is my husband's fault?
Seeing and hearing all the people there stunned Bhuvan, and he took off his uniform in anger.
I refuse to do this job.
Hearing this, a British officer started to beat Bhuvan from the butt of his rifle, causing Bhuvan to bleed from his mouth.
Stop! Stop it!
I will talk to the commander myself. Sir, please release these soldiers from the jail. These people are innocent.
You are paid a salary by the East India Company. Obey my orders. Disperse the crowd gathered outside. Go!
Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar had no other solution in sight. He thought about it deeply and then convened a gathering of the members of the Gujjar community. Bhuvan and his mother too came to the gathering.
I cannot tolerate any more the atrocities being committed on our soldiers. Today, I need all of your support. Is the Gujjar community ready to fight along with me against these foreigners?
We are ready!
Then get ready within an hour. Gather the Gujars from Panchali village and all neighboring villages. First, we will attack the prison built by the Britishers, where they have imprisoned 839 revolutionaries and soldiers. And from there, we will go to the Kotwali of Sadar Bazaar.
That night, with an army of 300 Gujjars, Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar marched and attacked the newly built British prison at Meerut. There was heavy security at the prison, but the Gujjar army fought the British forces bravely and rescued the 839 revolutionaries jailed there. Then they burned down the jail. After that, Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar gathered all the men and marched to the Sadar Bazaar police station, where they freed all the revolutionaries.
Father.
Foreigners be overthrown!
Will not allow this fire to free ourselves from foreigners to be extinguished. We'll leave for Delhi from Meerut immediately. To Delhi!
Crush the foreigners!
To Delhi!
Crush the foreigners!
To Delhi!
To Delhi! Crush the foreigners! To Delhi! Crush the foreigners!
Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar's movement had another notable thing. You tell everyone?
The Revolt of 1857. The first war for India's independence. Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar had the support of the entire Gujjar community and people of all religions. Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs all lit the first torch of freedom struggle, and gradually this torch started appearing in all the kingdoms of the country.
On July 4th, 1857, the foreigners completely destroyed Kotwal Dhan Singh's village of Panchali by bombarding it with cannons. Kotwal Dhan Singh was caught and hanged in front of everyone in the middle of the public square. The first war for independence began in 1857. Everyone had the same goal: to depose the foreign government from our land, bringing an end to British rule.
This supreme sacrifice of Kotwal Dhan Singh Gujjar deserves our salute.
In honor of Kotwal Dhan Singh Ji, a statue of him was erected at Sadar Bazaar police station, Meerut, and at Mawana. Not only this, there is also the Dhan Singh Gujjar College at Loni, Ghaziabad, named after him.
The story is over. Okay, now all of us shall eat revdi together. Huh? Hey, where did all the revdi go?
The story was so interesting. We ate all of them while listening to it.
The story is over, and so is the Revdi.
Yes.
Say it proudly.
भारत है हम
Hey guys, if you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.